Aloha Goddess, and welcome to today's video. I'm so happy you're here with me. We're going to be dry brushing today. This is great for stimulating the lymphatic system and promoting lymphatic drainage, which makes sure our cells stay nice and healthy and cancer-free. You're going to start with slow circular motions on your décolleté or your clavicle area. The pressure should be firm, but it shouldn't hurt. And if you do see some redness, that's normal. From there, we're going to do short strokes down from the ear to our clavicle. We are just following the lymphatic channels. And you can do this alternating one side and then the other, or do one side of the face completely before the other. Then we're going to do little circular motions behind the ear, really waking up this area so that way when we move everything from our face, it can properly drain. Then from our chin, short strokes towards our ear. And then we can make our way up the face. Usually I do each section about 3 to 5 times. Lower half, then middle cheek area, and then forehead. But for the sake of this video, I won't be doing it as long. And if you notice the brush you're using is too rough, try switching to a different one. It shouldn't hurt, but you should feel it. And then once you've done the whole face, the whole side of the face, go ahead and just do downward strokes. And then continue on with the other side of your face. Doing this every day helps to not only stimulate the lymphatic system, but it also helps to remove any dead, dull skin cells, leaving your face soft, smooth, and radiant. This is also a great practice to do on your body to either exfoliate or also promote lymphatic drainage. This is also a great way to promote better blood circulation as well. And in either case, body or face dry brushing, you want to do this before you shower or cleanse. And you can cleanse your dry brush once a week in soapy water. I hope you enjoyed it, Goddess. I'll see you next time.